Hi, magandang araw. Another quick subdivision tour, and today I'm here at Periveo Residence, a premium community here in Barangay Mabini, Lipa City. And makikita nyo, pagbunga nyo pa lang na main entrance, napakaganda na agad ng inyong makikita. So, check naman natin ang kanilang houses na ino-offer. Periveo offers house and lot only. Lahat ng bahay dito ay single detached. So, we have Mira, the biggest one, Lana, and Erin. Ano nga ba ang ikinaganda ng Periveo sa ibang subdivision project? Of course, their amenities. It is a 1 hectare amenities at for sure, napakadami pang pwedeng gawin dito na activities. We have clubhouse. We also have hanging bridge, gym area, game room, kids playroom.